Hi everyone, peace be upon you. I'm Calabas, also known as Bilal Alibari. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you one of the best apps used to compress or reduce the size of an image. And the app is Photo Compressor. Photo Compressor can be downloaded on Play Store. So go to Play Store and try to download the app. After having the app on your phone, the next thing, you click on it in order to reduce the size of the intending image. Let's jump in. This is the first thing you see on the screen when you press the app. There are so many options, but the option we're going to choose is compress photos. So that is our intending aim. So that is what we want to do. We want to compress the size of an image. So click on the compress photos and wait. At this stage, you're going to pick the intending image you want to compress. One other thing before we move forward, images can be selected in multiple, can be 2, 3, 4, and so on. But let me choose. I want to pick just 6 images from it. Did this? Let me pick this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you press the next button down here. You press compress, and the work is done. Awesome. From 0.97 MB to 226 KB. You see it? This app is awesome. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the like button. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel.